Hi, this is Handy TF. Are you tired of paying double the price for the seal than a flapper? Because this American Standard Champion 4 toilet does not use the usual flapper flush valve. They use tower flush valve, which uses a flush valve seal instead of a flapper. After each flush, it still has 4 inches of water left in the tank. I don't understand the reason for that. I have replaced the flush valve seal so many times trying to fix the leak or ghost flushing, and then finally I broke the tab on the top. I am already tired of paying double the price for the seal, and I certainly don't want to pay double the price for this weird tower flush valve. Also, it is awkward to replace the flush valve seal. So I decided to replace it with the regular flapper flush valve. Although it takes more effort to replace the flush valve now, it will be much cheaper and easier to change the flapper from now on. First, we will need to remove the tank. Begin by shutting off the water to the toilet, and remove all water from the tank. Disconnect the water supply tube, unscrew 2 tank bolts. You might need to hold on to the nuts below the tank, then carefully lift the tank off the bowl and put it on the floor. Remove the large foam gasket. Use large plier to loosen the mounting nut. Pull the flush valve out of the tank. You need to get the large 3-inch flapper flush valve from your local hardware store. Orient the flush valve unit inside the tank near the back of the tank in an angle, so it does not block the bolts. As you can see, the hole is a little bigger than the new flush valve. You want to make sure the new valve is center in the opening. Use the circle mark left by the old valve, and center the mounting nut in the center of the circle mark. Since the new flush valve comes with new tank bolts, so I am going to replace the bolts too. Make a note of the nuts and washer on the bolt. After you take them off, you want to put them back in the same order. Hi, please hit the like and the subscribe buttons below. This will encourage me to make more free videos to help more people. The nuts underneath are hard to reach. You will need tubular socket wrench or deep socket wrench to slightly tighten the nuts. Reattach the water supply, turn on the water, and connect the flapper chain. Since there is no more 4-inch of water left in the tank, so you want to adjust the float lower to save water. Finally, check for leaks by flushing the toilet several times. Tighten any connections that are leaking. It will be cheap and easy to fix the leak from now on. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for your time, Handy TF.